Suéltala más. Suéltala más. No, hey. Sorry. What's going on, YouTubers, gunners, wherever you're from, supporters? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, all that good stuff. Today we're going to continue the weight reduction, and we are going to attempt to finish the entire interior today so we can hurry up and get ready for this giveaway. So if you're just joining now the movement, or you're just joining the channel, we are going to give away a 4-piston cylinder head, fully port and polished, CNC'd, full valve train, about a $2,500 value. So the statement that's been put out by me is, every 10,000 subscribers, I am going to give something back to my followers, my gunners, my subscribers. So yeah, we're gonna kick the vlog off with that. It's only the stuff that we cut off from the quarter panel and the firewall skin that we are actually weighing. If you go back to the video before this where I went live, there's much more detail, but I don't want to keep beating it into your head. We need to get to 10,000 subscribers. Once we do that, the giveaway will start. So every 10,000 subscribers, I will pay out of pocket and buy you guys something to show my appreciation for all the support. Is this a way to gain more subscribers? Absolutely. Why are we sugarcoating anything? I'm paying for it. And at the same time, you're not just following a guy that just makes money off of you and goes on with his life and vlogs the cool stuff that he just purchased. You know what I mean? So, like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. Let's start cutting. So now remember, this part is just as hard as the B-pillar. So we take it out in small sections, all right? So I'll keep cutting this entire part out. You guys will see, all of you that have been keeping up with the vlogs and have been applying these methods to yours, you'll see what parts are going to be harder to change, or harder to cut, I'm sorry. So let's keep kicking butt. Now what I'm worried about here is getting too close to the actual quarter panel and making a mistake. So I'll slowly trim away at this, but most likely I'm going to end up folding this down because I'm scared to cut into the actual quarter panel to save 4 ounces, if that makes any sense. Because unfortunately, to get this completely off where the spot welds are holding it, you'd have to remove the quarter panel. So we're not going to that extreme for 4 or 5 ounces. Keep gunning. So right here, I'm just going to skin this as close as I can to get it real flat near where the spot welds are. That's all I'm going to do. Nice and easy, thin line. I'm not moving too fast. I'm just trimming it. You can see the body line. You can see where it meets the other part of the spot weld. So we'll start here. And we'll just angle it down. Now that's nice and even. I mean, once we grind it, we're going to put it to where we want it, but we're going to take this lip off too and bring it all the way up here. This transition is going to look so nice once we start grinding it and making the shape that we want it to have. But honestly, I'm like a Dr. Miami with this, man. Any girls that need a tummy tuck, girls, stop going to Miami. Come to Yonkers, I got you. We'll trim that fat right off, girl. All right, there goes 40. He finally got rid of all the spot welds on the firewall skin. So now he's just gonna cut off where the brake lines have been ran through. So we removed all the spot welds, guys. I don't know how many it was. It was over 100. It was over 100. I mean, I did some off camera. He did some off camera, and it's not a tough task, but it's worth it. That's a lot of weight right there. So he's just trimming that up, cutting that off. But 40 did a great job. I don't know if he's white. I don't know if he's quite off, but. He's almost ready. He's almost ready. Hey, nice. Gimme. savings. Big savings. Come on, 40. Come on, goddammit. Come on, young boy. It's coming. It's coming. It's yours. Oh, yeah. Heavy, huh? Good job, my boy. Firewall skinned. Firewall is skinned. That was a process. This is heavy. Yeah. Put your face mask. Alright, gunners, YouTubers, subscribers, I am limited to what I can cut because I need the windshield out. So I called up a place. They're going to come by tomorrow, remove the windows off the car. So we're moving right along. We're pretty much done with cutting the interior. Once they come take off the windshield, I just need about 20 more minutes of cleaning up on the pillar, and we're all set. So I've got the box filled. I'm putting more metal in there as we cut. So this box right here will be for the challenge. You have to guess the pounds and ounces. Closest to the amount wins the 4-piston cylinder head. Luke just texted me. He says he has a cylinder head ready. I told him let me know so I can send the payment. So I'm just waiting on a text back. Other than that, what else do we have going? Yeah, that's basically it. So pretty soon we're going to start cutting the doors. That should be next up. Then from there we're going to trim the dashboard. So I'll keep you guys in the loop, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate all of you for your tremendous support. Keep gunning, man.